Hey everyone, Sebastian here. I'm excited to announce that starting today, I'll be sharing some of my trading setups and thought processes with you right here on the channel. I'll be filming while I'm waiting for trades to play out, giving you a real-time look into how I go through some trades and manage my positions. So if you're interested in learning more about how I trade, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. Okay. I'm looking now at Bitcoin. You can see the price is going quite steep now. So this is an indicator which is giving these colored candles. So let me just zoom in a bit. You can see on 5 minutes now. This is the 1 minute, so we have signal on 5 minutes. Yes, I'm looking when we are in a downtrend. This indicator is giving signal, so I just got it on the 5 minutes. I'm in a trend now. I'm in a short position with a risk to reward of 122. So let's see what the price is going from there. So if you ever wondered, what goes on behind the scenes while I'm waiting for a trade to develop, that's a little bit. Today I'm pulling back the curtain, and giving you a glimpse into the trading process. But as you know, trading is quite boring sometimes, so it's just waiting time. I'm also looking on higher time frames on a different monitor. All right, 500 euros in profit, one-on-one, one-to-one, risk to reward already. Let's see what's going on. Just a little bit. So yeah, you see, the signal actually was a bit higher. Also this one here, these color candles, given by the indicator that we are giving for the students in the intensive one-day trading course. Cool. That was a take profit. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Next one will be coming soon. See you next time.